Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to make this quick video because I'm so blown away right now. I recently bought this motor dyne and just wanted to clean it up a bit before I put it on the car so that it'd be a bit easier to clean eventually when I part out and sell everything. And so I could tell the exhaust, this isn't even cleaned yet, like I haven't washed that or rinsed that or anything, but I could tell it was yellowing just from the heat cycles. And I believe it's 304 stainless steel, so I looked into how to like return it to chrome because I saw a guy did it in my Z group like a while ago, and so I was recommended Barkeeper's Friend, toilet cleaner, nail polish remover. I bought a whole Brasso metal polish, like drill attachment, and nothing, absolutely nothing worked, like had zero effect. And I saw a video from Gretty to get this stuff, just some Lysol power toilet. Genuinely crazy. After using multiple other products. Like, what? How the fuck? Cleaner, I think it's because it has no bleach, but I'm like blown away right now. I'm just doing this because I'm doing this with my hands because I'm recording, but literally just like that. And this one is more gold than all the other pieces. I'll include a clip after this. Oh yeah, now it's better. But I literally could touch this one, or actually here. I'll cut this. See, now that one's already shining. Actually, let's put a bit there. Really, just a tiny drop. Look at it. Like, what? How the fuck? Like, oh dude, I can't freaking, I'm speechless. This is insane. Obviously use a towel. I'm gonna go rinse my hand off after this, but just absolutely insane. Lysol power.